So today's a special one. It's Sunday night right now. Outside, the weather's perfect. As you can see, I'm pretty rugged up, 2 layers of pants and whatnot, just so I can enjoy the nighttime weather. What we're doing today is we're doing a twilight kart run. And the beauty of it is because our go-kart is now equipped with some lights. So we can tear up the trails now. We're taking it easy. This is the very first drive that we're going to take on the go-kart with the power mods, the full battery, and everything, right? The only thing that's setting me back at the moment is a tunable controller. But I think this thing should rip regardless. So we're going to head out and see what we can come up with and do, but mainly just to enjoy it. And like I said, at night time there'll be very little cars on the road and basically nothing for us to really worry about, mostly. Alright, so obviously hopefully you guys can hear me. The helmet for safety and also for warmth, because like I said, I'm pretty sure it's going to be cold and I'm not built for that anymore. Right, helmet check. We really need some winter gloves because I've got summer gloves on at the moment, so we'll see how we go. But you guys are basically going to be along for the ride, and we're going to see if we have a good time. So apparently you guys can hear me, so zip this up and hopefully nothing changes. Alright, let's go. Alright, let's begin to roll out. Hopefully my feet don't come in contact with any of the wires. Like I said, that's something that I'm going to have to work on. Alright. And something that we should note is I need to get a better camera positioning location. So currently lights are off until we can get out. Tires are currently pumped. Let's stay in the suburb. Oh, there's a bus. Let's get off the road. That way you can see us. He beamed me. Alright, let's go guys. We're currently on power levels low. Alright, let's just see if everything works as it should. That's pretty good. Oh, tires are cold. And I've also got a horn installed. Not that loud. So basically, I think I need to angle the light a little bit higher because it's really annoying seeing it flicker like this. But obviously, this is what happens when you have no suspension. Or maybe the next mod should be night vision. Just checking my phone's still in my pocket. low car habits. Alright, see what we're doing here. Oh man, I'm trying to pour petrol. But good thing this is electric. Reminder, we're on low speed. So let's just turn off the lights so we fly under the radar. Got to be careful on the brakes. Alright, so how we looking so far? You guys feeling pretty good? I think we need to come up with a better lighting source. One that's like not so vibration-y, one that can handle a little bit of vibrations. Maybe we should get like bushings. Would bushings help? Open her up, yeah? What do you guys say? Yeah, there's definitely more speed in that. Definitely more speed in that. But just gonna pick and choose where I decide to. I wouldn't want to open her up during at night time, purely because I lost power for some reason. I have lost power. Must be a throttle cable. Alright, let me try to fix this and figure out what the issue is. Alright, we're good. I figured out what it was. But the issue is alright, so we are going to jump onto the bike path or the trail just so we can stay off the road until this thing's riding Mickey. So what happened before was my throttle came loose, and that's because I only put one arm I fit. Ooh, just barely fit. Alright. Maybe the lights have to be adjusted to be higher, because I don't know if you guys can see much, but I cannot. So this bit is... This is what it looks like without lights. Can I see anything? I can see a little. Can you guys see anything? Alright, which way do we go? Let's go towards this way. I've never been this way. So guys, I literally can't see much, so just take it easy for what we can see. Like dead end. Just straight. This is where I need my GPS. Oh, we got rabbits. We have rabbits. Oh, we're here already. Wow. If you guys didn't notice, in that pile over there where I'm pointing, that's water. So, lucky. Alright, I think I know this track. But my tires are still a little bit cold. So, I've got the big dip. If you guys think this is scary, it is. Why? Because my tires aren't warm, and if I brake, I'm going into something. Oh, that's scary. A little bit of dirt. Little bit of dirt, and save it. Oh, this is intense. It's actually very twitchy. Alright, how's that for a special? This guy's brake checking me. I'm in a cart. Let's go down here. Alright guys, that's it. Oh, well, now I don't even know what you guys saw. Sorry guys. I don't know what you guys even saw. So, obviously, we need to stiffen this camera up completely so you don't fall like that again. But the vibrations are way too much. So, I'm sorry guys, I wasn't paying attention. I was trying not to kill myself. Alright, good night. I think 60 plus, yeah.
What, did you make it? Or?
Yeah, I built it.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, I built it.
What kind of headlight you got?
Yes.
What is that on it?
It's full electric. I've converted it to a full electric.
That's what it said. What's that cost to do?
Fair few grand. Fair few grand. But it's a little bit sketchy driving it at this time because I can't get any heat in the tires.
Yeah.
And every time I touch on the brakes, I just lock up. It's really sensitive at this
What
time.
motor is it?
It's a mid-drive motor, so the motor's here.
Yeah, but what size?
I'm not too sure.
Give me
I think it can push like probably up to 10 kilowatts.
Fucking hell.
Probably up to 10 kilowatts. So
Wow, that's decent, man.
yeah, it's not bad. It's actually quite fun.
Like a cool, what's that for?
Oh, it's for the controller. That's like your computer.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Donuts?
Huh? I think I can. I think I can do that. Doesn't really give me much power, but it won't keep the power going. I'm not too sure. So the controller is my limitation at the moment.
Why is that?
Because it doesn't give me enough torque.
Can't you change the road to put the wet tyres on it?
And that's what I was thinking. Can I do that?
Yeah, fucking know.
So at night time, run the wet tires.
Yeah, it's on the wet tyre is, but it's easier to like this.
Because like I said, if I wanted to drift and stuff like that, what I'll probably do is I'll get those plastic PVC pipes.
Nah, too dangerous, man.
No, just for like your turn, not for speed entries.
Yeah,
Okay.
What that cost to build, that one there?
I got the frame for free. This was a barnyard, basically a barnyard find. And the rest is pretty much the motor setup. This and the controller was I think 700 bucks. 700 bucks on Facebook Marketplace. Battery cost me like $3,000.
Yeah, that's the same battery.
Yeah. I am back and it's 10 o'clock, so we went out for like 2 hours. I think met some neighbors. Pretty interesting people. Can't see myself. Pretty interesting people. I didn't know that I had fellow people that liked this type of thing, so I'm glad I met them, and they invited me out for a midnight drift session, so I'll definitely let you guys know how that goes. But yeah, it was good. I look forward to hearing from them. Alright guys, thank you.